Hi, this is Shane with the EWWW Image Optimizer, and in this video I'm going to show you the overrides. Where are they? First, we have to enable ludicrous mode, and that gives us a whole bunch more options. If you don't like a whole bunch more options, just leave it alone, and you can stay in easy mode, and the plugin will keep making your site faster. But if you need an override, um, you can click here, and this will open the docs page on all the different overrides that are available. Now these come in two different flavors. Some of these are things that uh, you can't get through the options. Some of these are things that are in the options, but we also let you set them via overrides. For example, if you want to keep another site manager, a client or whatever, from accessing these settings or changing them and messing things up, you can set them via overrides. But there's a lot of them that aren't in the interface, never were, or maybe aren't anymore because they weren't used that often. But there's a lot of different things in here, and so we're going to show you just a real quick example. We'll use this first example. This is when you're running the bulk optimizer. You have that option to set a delay, but again, maybe you know you get someone else actually running it, and you don't want to take the chance that they're not going to use the delay. So you set it here with this, whatever the case might be. We need to put that line into our WP config file. Now, where in the world is that? Well, on most web hosts, you'll need to go into your control panel. So with, for example, A2 hosting, like I'm on with my demo site here, this is shared hosting. It uses cPanel, and so it has a file manager. And so we go into the file manager, and we go to the folder. Well, first off, we go to the public HTML folder, and then, because that's the public web folder, right? And then we find the folder for demo. And different web hosts will have this arranged differently. The main goal is you're looking for the files that run your website, and these are the ones for our demo site. And right here is our WP config file. It's wp-config.php, and we want to edit this sucker. So I've hidden all of my sensitive information from this file. Normally you would see a bunch of database connection stuff and salts, which are used for encryption. But at the top of this file, you'll have your opening PHP tag, and at the bottom, you will see something that says, "That's all, stop editing." Something to that effect. All right. So we can put this anywhere under the opening PHP tag. So we could put it right here. Don't put it in here twice. Or we could put it down here right above this line. You just can't put it below this guy right here. This is the stuff that you can't mess with. So you put it there, you put it here, anywhere in this file except for on the first line and not below here, right? So that's it. So any of the other overrides, same deal. You go in here and change this. Say we wanted it to be 15 seconds. Okay, so now the delay is always going to be 15 seconds. And so there's different ones. Say we want to turn off automatic optimization. We want to always do it manually. We want to use the bulk optimizer or the individual optimizer on the media library page. And we can take this guy and do something similar. And we can go define, and we always got to put these guys in quotes, otherwise they don't work. And this one would be true with no quotes, right? So U image optimizer no auto. So the name is in quotes. A true or false value is no quotes, and same with a number. So those two, no quotes. If it's a word or a folder, then got to have quotes, but otherwise no quotes for numbers and true false values. And as we're editing, I just wanted to point out something I missed, which is the ending semicolon. Always have a semicolon at the end of the line, or you will break your entire site. So, hope that helps. Have a great day and happy optimizing.